Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are going to be working on icons, but I want to talk about some plugins first that you're going to need. So I like using several different plugins. The 2 or 3 main plugins that I use for icons are material design icons. This is when I am absolutely in a rush and I need to drag in some iconography super quickly. You can specify what size you want to bring them in. Usually I'm bringing them at 24 by 24 pixels. So you can do that really easily. That is one of the ways I use it with, just like when I'm designing. So material design icons is super helpful. Definitely grab this plugin. Another plugin I like to use is something called Iconify, and this one's okay. This one's great for finding a variety of like specialized icons. So if I want to look for, say, like an icon like house, I can come in here and just grab like a different version of that house if it's like highly specialized. I will say though, if you are working on icons and your like product has a bunch of icons, keep them all the same from the same family, whether it's material design icons or whatever icon family that you find. Like over here, you can specify that I want to, only see ones from, say, Google Material Design or Icon Park Solid or Font Awesome or whatever. So, just keep everything super consistent. The last one I do really love is Streamline Icons. So you can come in here, you can get illustrations here, elements, emojis, but you can come in here and grab a bunch. They have 1,000 free core line icons. Really, really helpful if you just need some nice icons. You can build a whole font family from here just by, putting them all within one frame and then turning them into components and then reusing them across that file if you really need to. Similarly, how I've done in the past. So these are the 3 different plugins that I think you should definitely grab just if you need icons quickly or if you're just going to build based off of some of the families that they provide.